Micrometre maintenance. Maintenance is the process of keeping something in a good condition or working order. Regularly wipe the circumference of the spindle and both measuring faces with a dry, lint-free cloth. Wipe. Clean or dry by rubbing with a cloth or a piece of paper. Circumference. The distance around something, especially a circle. Be careful not to drop your micrometer. Drop, to let or make fall vertically. If you damage your micrometer, inspect it for accuracy before taking measurements. Damage, when something cannot be used as it should. Inspect, look at something closely. Recalibrate your micrometer if it is no longer accurate. Recalibrate is to calibrate something again or differently. Calibrate is to mark a gauge or instrument with a standard scale of readings. Every so often, or if you store your micrometer for a long period, apply a small amount of multi-purpose oil to its exterior using a lint-free cloth to prevent corrosion. Every so often. You can also say from time to time or occasionally. Store means to keep something for future use. Exterior is the outer surface or structure of something. Corrosion is damage to metal by water or chemicals. It is a good idea to oil the internal thread of the micrometer if you only use the micrometer occasionally. Make sure that you store your micrometer in a ventilated place with low humidity and ideally at room temperature. Ventilated is somewhere that air can freely move or flow. Humidity is the moisture or wetness in the air. Most micrometers come with a protective storage case to keep them safe when not in use. Protective is the word that describes a thing that protects or keeps safe someone or something. When not using the micrometer, ensure that there is a gap between the measuring faces. Gap is a small space between two objects. If the spindle and anvil do not have a gap and are in contact with each other, this can affect the accuracy of the micrometer.